see how to design a logo with Wix Logo Maker. So, when we're here in the dashboard, we go to Site and Mobile app and click this logo and brand. After that, we click Get Started, and it's gonna ask you what type of business you have. So let's say it's just a accessory store, a fashion. And what vibe do you want for your logo? You can choose what text do you want in your logo or your logo name. Let's just say I'm gonna put it Adeline. What's your tagline? You can put some taglines. You can actually skip that. After that, you can now choose what's gonna be your logo right here. And for example, let's choose this one. You can go now and customize your logo. And from here, you can now edit the palette. What do you want for your logo to look like? There's a lot of palettes right here. And you can add some more text if you like. You can edit your text right here. You can add some symbols. There's also a lot of symbols right here. You can get like one of these. You can drag and edit this. Just use your creativity. There you can edit it. You can drag it. Anything you want. You can add some shapes right there and some images or even background color if you like to change the color of the background. And when you're done, you can click preview to preview your logo to editor. And the next thing is you're done. You can have premium for your logo. You can use this, but you can also download a free sample from it. Free sample is just this one, and then you can download it. And that's it. You have now your logo right here. And when you like to edit it again, you can just go click edit right here. And that's it. That's how to design a logo with the Wix Logo Maker. See you soon.